It's 11:47 p.m. Your presentation is tomorrow and you're still rearranging your slides. Something is still not right. Your story is not flowing, the explanation is messy, and you wonder, I know this subject so well, but still, why is it so hard to explain it clearly? And deep down, you know it's the same circus every time. You spend days preparing, and finally, when you present, hardly anyone remembers what you said. They don't make the decision you asked for, and you feel frustrated. Then you try AI. You try Gamma, Microsoft Copilot, or 87 other AI slide creation tools. They give you slides. They even look professional. But when you read them, your stomach churns because the content is so generic, even you wouldn't sit through your own presentation. You see, the problem is not with AI. It is just that those AI slide creation tools are optimizing the wrong thing. They are in a race to prove who can create the slides the fastest or the prettiest. They don't really care whether your message is clear or not. That is such a waste of AI's capabilities. Because when used right, AI can be your biggest leverage in creating your presentations. Remember, you are an expert in your field. You're not an expert in designing presentations. You don't need to be. After all, it is not your job to break your head over things like how do I design a strong opening hook or how do I sequence my messages for maximum impact. That is what AI is for. Now just imagine this scenario. You just click an easy button and a presentation coach appears. You just answer a few questions and your coach pulls out all the right messages that need to be conveyed, organizes those messages into a clear structure, simplifies complex ideas, gives you strong slide titles, and pulls out content to support all your points, and even gives you speaker notes that convey your idea that flow seamlessly from one slide to the next. You simply approve the flow, or make a few changes, or press a button to ask for more options to convey your messages with even more impact. And making world-class presentations is that easy. And it's not a dream anymore. It is a reality now. That easy button is our presentation process AI club. That presentation coach is our AI tools. The results feel like magic because our AI tools are trained on our 20 years of presentation experience, our own methodologies and frameworks, and the methods and frameworks of the world's top presentation experts. And all those ideas are combined with lessons from learning psychology and communication theory. You just bring your expertise and knowledge and leave the rest to our presentation AI tools. Got a presentation tomorrow and don't know where to start? You open our Presentation Thinking Studio app, answer 4 questions, and you will get the 5 exact things you need to prepare for a strong foundation. Don't know how to structure your ideas? Open Presentation Blueprint Studio, and you will exactly know what to include, what to leave out, how to sequence your ideas, what objections you can anticipate, and how to respond, how to structure your slides, and even what speaker notes to use. You will get an output that you can just copy paste into any of your favorite AI slide creation tools and get slides that you can use confidently and convincingly. Already have a presentation deck? Our presentation audit tool will tell you what is working, where the gaps are, and what tweaks you can make so your presentation can be made even stronger. Got a complex concept to explain? Our concept simplifier will break it down, simplify, and will show you the different ways you can communicate the idea so your audience don't just understand but will remember it clearly. Got bullet point slides? Our visual finder will find the right visuals for you. Our story insight generator will help you pull out stories from your own experiences that you can share with your audience. Our reverse engineering lab will help you extract techniques and frameworks used by world's greatest presenters in their TED Talks. And there is so much more. But what if you have questions on presentations and you want my personal views on them? Inside the Presentation Process AI Club, you get access to Ramgopal AI, my AI clone, trained on 2 decades of my methods and frameworks. It's a 24/7 on-demand presentation coach that gives you answers as if I were sitting with you across the table and having a chat. And on top of that, you will get live coaching with me 2 times a month on Zoom calls. And plus, we have a helpful community where you can share ideas, get feedback, and celebrate wins. I'll be active inside the community to answer your questions as quickly as possible. And what is the cost? Remember, if you were to hire a professional presentation coach, even for a single critical presentation, you may have to shell out upwards of $10,000. But inside Presentation Process AI Club, you get access to all these tools that are trained on the methods and frameworks of the world's top presentation experts for a small monthly fee. And you can start completely free today. 7 days, no charge. Just come inside, use these AI tools, and see how your presentation can transform in just a few clicks. You see, 6 months from now, one of two things will be true. In one version, you're still tearing your hair out, staring at a blank page, overwhelmed with information, not knowing what to cut, writing and rewriting slides, and still wondering why your presentation is not working. Or you're opening a tool inside Presentation Process AI Club, answering a few simple questions, and getting a neatly structured presentation based on 20 years of presentation experience, expert frameworks, design principles, and learning psychology. You are using your time for things that actually matter. Your audience is thanking you with standing ovation for making your ideas so easy to understand and remember. You see, the second version is just a click away. Your free trial is waiting, your AI tools are waiting. The only thing that is missing is you. So go ahead, click on the link below, start a free trial, and I will see you inside.